books, if you need a table of contents, which everybody should need a new one, go to the sign on the wall that says, "When did you miss?" And there is a bin full of table of contents. Please make sure that yours looks just like this. Obviously, you probably will have your 28 next to each other, but when I pulled the picture, this is what happened. But please make sure your table of contents is updated with yesterday's and today's. If you don't know yesterday's, go back to the 4.1 video, and please make sure your notes for today are set up like this. I will show you my notes the middle/end of this video. So here is the video for today's lesson, which is determining if something is linear or nonlinear. Your book. The pages are numbered, so you should have completed 4 pages. I believe that they should be through about question about. Some of you I've noticed are doing it, and I'm going to try to work on grading some of your responses as you go. We'll go from there, but make sure that at least the first 20 questions are completed. You had 10 for yesterday and 10 for today. 12 problems, you are going to write the equations using the 4.1 lesson. What that means is you are going to write the definition. Well, first annotate, then write the definition, then write the equation. For example, for the first one, you should write oops. This will look better in a second. Let x be a number. Oh, I don't like this pen. We'll fix it after. And then your equation would be written. There we go. So much better. Let me fix that. Oh no, that was worse. Okay. Okay, we'll leave it like that. You'll see my lovely stuff eventually. I'll give you some time to do that. Okay, so you should be good to go now. We'll give it a second for mine to load. What we're going to do are just to identify the parts. Let me get rid of that. 3 parts that we're going to focus on. A constant, which is just a number. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the numbers. A variable, which is the letter that stands for a number, any letter. And a coefficient, which is a number in front of the variable. A number and a letter put together means that you have a coefficient and a variable. A number by itself is just a constant. What are we going to do with that? We have the x and the y. The variables are the x and the y, and the 9 by itself is just the constant. We're going to take this and we're going to apply it to the equations we've already written. 1 through 12, you're going to underline the constants, box the variables, and circle the coefficients. I want to make sure you know what they are. Pause the video so that you can complete that. Great. Let's take a look. I've put a box. I've put a box around. Your answer may be a little bit different. The only one I didn't do was number 9. But I would have circled 1/2 and boxed all the x's. I'll add one more. The next definition is called a term. A term is the parts of an expression separated by addition or subtraction. That means that you get to count how many things there are based on the signs in between it, usually addition or subtraction only. It's separated by addition or subtraction. So in this case, our term is 2x, 4y, and 9. 3 terms. But I want you to pause the video, go through, and identify the terms of each. Again, feel free to pause to make sure your work is caught up. If not, you can work on problem sets number 1 through 15 using the notes and examples to help you out.